Your m is inversely proportional.
Will be 8 over.
M is inversely proportional to the cube of C. Inversely proportional to the cube of C. Whenever inverse comes, you have to do 1 upon. And cube of C. So you have to do C cube. So then you get rid of the proportionality sign. You put K upon C cube. You put equal to and K. Now they'll give you some start value. They'll always give you a starter value. So M is 64 when C is 12. So get the value of K. Use your calculator. So what's your K? 64 into 12 cube. 12 cube. No. 110592. Do cross multiply, no? So what will my equation become? Put it back in this. Put this back in this. So what will your M become? 110592 divided by C cube. Okay? That's my equation now. Now you have to use this for all the parts. Part A. You have to find a value of M when C is 8. So put it in the equation that we got. You know that M is equal to 110592 upon C is 8 cube. So you just use your calculator and do that. So that's 110592 divided by 8 cube. 216. Part B. You find the value of C when M is 1. So again use the same formula. M is equal to 110592 divided by C cube. So M is 110592 divided by C cube. So C will be C cube if you cross multiply. So C is equal to cube root of this.
Yeah.
So find a cube root of that. Cube root of 110592. 48. Important, huh? These sort of sums will come in your exams. You have to read the sum well. In the last sum there wasn't a cube. Last exercise there wasn't a cube. In this the cube is there.
Okay, sir.
Next one. The tidal acceleration between two bodies is inversely proportional. So let's call the tidal acceleration as T. Is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance between them. So tidal acceleration is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance between them. You're following that? So inverse comes means 1 upon. We put a proportionality sign and d cube. Now find the percentage change in tidal acceleration. What is the percentage change in tidal acceleration? If the distance between the object increases by 10%. Now if the distance increases by 10%, means it will get multiplied by 1.1. You know how 110 over 100, huh? Your multiplying factor.
Yeah.
So your distance will get multiplied by that. So if I do this, your t is directly proportional to 1 upon, this becomes 1.1 d cube.
Yeah.
So that is t is 1 upon 1.1 cube and d cube. Do 1 divided by 1.1 cube. 1 divided by 1.1 cube raised to 3. So point. So your t will become 0.7513 times the earlier value. It will become this times the earlier value. basically. Percentage change. So percentage change, if you want, is 1 minus this. So 24.9%. It will become 24.9% of the original value. Okay? 24.9% decrease. So if your distance increases by 10%, this decreases by 24.9%. You did 1 minus this into 100. I did 1 minus 0.7513 into 100. I did that because this is in terms of fraction. You percentage, you multiply by 100 basically. Try the next part B.
So should we stop or do you want to do more?
More, no? One is directly proportional to d cube.
You said you had class, that's fine.
No, then let that person come in. Find the percentage change in the distance between the objects if the tidal acceleration triples. Tidal acceleration triples means, so this will become 3t. Correct?
Yeah.
D cube. So you cross multiply. D cube is equal to 1 over 3t. Okay? If you put proportionality only, let's leave it proportionality. So d will be cube root of this. So what is the cube root of that? Do cube root of that on your calculator. Cube root of 1 over 3. So you'll get 0.693. So what will happen is, so how much does the percentage decrease be? 1 minus this into 100. So 30.7%. 30.7%. Now this has tripled. So this will decrease. That's a percentage decrease.
Yeah.